Hi, welcome to today's practice. We'll move through just a couple of simple stretches before coming into stillness for a body scan to bring awareness and relaxation to each part of the body. Begin by taking a comfortable seat on the floor or in a chair. Keep your spine straight but relaxed. Take an inhale, and on your exhale, dip your chin to your chest. Take one full inhale and exhale here. Inhale, take the right ear to the right shoulder. Continue breathing at your own pace. Last inhale. Exhale, take the chin back to the chest. Inhale, take the left ear to the left shoulder. Breathe deeply here at your own pace. Take one more inhale here. Exhale, drop the chin back to the chest. Inhale, lift the head, gaze in front of you. Drop the right hand beside you. Inhale, lift the left arm overhead. Exhale, reach to the right with your left hand. Take 3 full breaths here. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, drop the left hand beside your hip. Inhale, raise the right arm overhead. Exhale, reach over to the left. Take 3 full breaths. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, allow both hands to either rest on your thighs or in your lap. Take a moment here to get out any last wiggles before we begin our body scan. So coming into stillness, keep your back straight but relaxed. Tuck the chin slightly so that the neck stays in line with the rest of your spine. If it feels comfortable for you, go ahead and close your eyes. You also have the option to keep your eyes open while lowering your gaze to a spot on the floor in front of you. We'll begin by taking a couple of deep, conscious breaths. Inhale fully, feeling the belly and chest expand. Exhale, notice how the belly and chest drop back to their natural position. Again, inhale fully, and with your mind's eye, watch the belly and chest fill with air. Exhale, watch as the belly and chest relax. Last time, inhale fully, feeling the rise of the belly and chest. Exhale, feel the belly and chest soften as they fall back to their natural position. Continue inhaling and exhaling through your nose at your own rhythm. Use your inhales as a moment in time to observe what is, and on your exhales, give yourself permission to relax and release. Begin to notice your feet. Become aware of any sensation in the feet and allow it to be what it is. Maybe you notice tingling or pulsating in the feet. Inhale, notice the sensations. Exhale, let go. Move your awareness to your shins and calves. Notice what you feel without judgment. Inhaling awareness. Exhale, release. Begin to observe your thighs and hips. Notice where they make contact with the floor or the chair. Continue to breathe at your own pace. Without judgment, observe what you feel. Exhale, relax into the moment. Let your awareness travel to your belly and lower back. Notice any sensations here. Perhaps you notice tension or gripping sensation. Whatever you feel, inhale and say hello. I see you. I care about you. Exhale, give yourself permission to release. With your mind's eye, begin to become aware of your fingers and hands. Maybe you notice the temperature of your hands, whether they are warm or cool. Inhale, notice. Exhale, let go. Let your awareness travel up your arms. What do you feel? Inhale, taking in what you feel. Exhale, let it drift away. Take notice of the chest and upper back. Watch, observe, feel. Continue to breathe. Inhaling, allowing what is, and exhale, release. Begin to observe your shoulders. Watch what's there. Then letting it melt away on your exhales. Let your awareness travel to the front, sides, and back of the neck. Inhale, witness. Exhale, imagining any knots loosen and untangle. Bring your awareness to your face. Notice your forehead, temples, lips, jaw. Inhale, taking note of any sensations in the face. If your lips are sealed, allow them to part slightly. Let the top and bottom teeth separate from each other. Exhale, release, and allow the face and jaw to become soft. Notice your body as a whole, inhaling any remaining tension. Exhale, sending relaxation and softness where it is needed. Inhale, taking in any feelings of tightness. Exhale, sending gratitude and love to those spots. Inhale, notice any areas where there is a sense of rigidity or strain. Exhale, send those areas kindness and tenderness. Stay here as long as you'd like, breathing at your own pace. Thank you for practicing with me today.